Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna go through how to apply for a study visa to Poland. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this government website of Poland, and for studying, for visa and application they have requirements for EU citizens, non-EU citizens. So you need to do as per your situation. Okay, there are like 3 types of visas they are issuing. D type, long-term visa issued up to 1 year, allowing travel around the Schengen area, 90 days or more period, we can assess. Okay, and there are 5 steps. Find a Polish consulate, process your application, read all the information, set up a visa appointment with the consulate. You have to register through the website. Okay, prepare the necessary documents, and then you can do. So we'll walk through it. Okay, so I'm opening. Let's say if I go for India, I have so many options I got. Wow, India. Wow. So for Kolkata, if I have this, click on more details. Okay, Poland Call Center. So if I open this website, can I go to it? Okay, no. Back to registry. If I go India, this is New Delhi. Okay, fine. Okay, here it is. Now it is opening. Perfect. I'll accept. Let's see if I have any information about visa. Okay guys, so to make it simple, I just searched for Poland in India and I reached here. So visa types they have given. So if you are going for studying, definitely it's going to be more than this. So you can click on this, and now it is opening this information, where to apply. Now they have all the information. You can apply at one of the visa application centers. Okay, do I have to apply in person? Okay, how do I book an appointment? So VFS Global, so basically they have outsourced. Now checklist is very important. So checklist purpose of trip for national are published below in materials part. Where is materials part? Here. Yeah, checklist for national study. Okay, perfect. So we'll open this checklist. Study, passport, visa application form without blanks, signed twice, checklist, applicant's cover letter, documents confirming the purpose of trip, proof of payment, attesting previous education, flight itinerary, reservation only, travel, medical insurance, accommodation, documents confirming sufficient financial terms. Okay, for minors, additional documents and signatures. Okay, fine. Okay, now how to apply we have already gone through, and how much it cost. Consular fees tab. Okay, consular fees, passport fee, fee for services, okay, visa fee. Okay, oh, it's scrollable. Can I scroll there? I think because of the browser I cannot, but anyway fine, we'll anyway find it out. So let's see, let's go through the VFS site, right? VFS website. Identify the visa type. We know the visa type. Begin your application. How? Download the visa application form, complete it, print it form and bring it with you. along with the document required for visa category. Book an appointment, pay the fee. Here you need to pay the visa application fee. Okay, study, visa fee. Here you go. That's how simple. That's the fee. Now we had opened this form as well, right? Or didn't we? Not yet. Okay, no worries, we'll open it. Checklist we have already gone through. Okay, study, overview, application form. Here it is, national visa form. So this is in docx format, but the icon shows PDF, not sure why. This is the form: surname at birth, first name, date of birth, photo, marital status. This is very simple: nationality whenever applicable, type of travel document, current occupation, employer in case of students, name and address of the school, educational establishment. So based on your case, main purpose of your stay for study, this one. Okay, and this section don't go anything, it's for official use only. Shoot in the past, fingerprint collected. So if you select no, they are gonna do it. But yes, for a whole Schengen visa, entry permit where applicable, not applicable, financial proof of financial means, family ties. It's very simple, and then you gotta sign. All right. So thanks for watching this, guys, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.